So welcome back guys, welcome to Roll Motors, and today in our workshop Toyota Fortuner all the way from Sikkim has come to our workshop for renovation, paint correction, and we are going to do Teflon coating in this car. Like this car was brand new like 5 years ago, but the color you see out here has become dull. The color, the paint is fading away and the car is not looking good. So guys, in this car like we are going to do paint correction now, and the products we are using for Teflon coating is these three products. First we are going to do compound, heavy cut compound, and second we are going to do swirl glaze, and the third one we are going to do 3800. And these three products we are using for paint correction. And guys, the service, don't worry about the service. The service we provide from our Roll Motors is excellent and super, and the mechanics are also experienced. So guys, keep watching the video. We'll try to bring the paint like brand new car. Keep watching and we'll show you the before and after. First we are using the first step, the compound we are using for Teflon coating. And with paint correction and Teflon coating we are going to add a fog light, which is Aerozoom model number FLP 3090. This is a very good fog light, and talking about the details and all, the low beam is wide and very uniform of this fog light, Aerozoom fog light, and during horrible weather condition it can make up for the lack of headlight illumination. During snow, rain, haze and dust, this Aerozoom fog light will provide you many good advantages. It is waterproof also, that's why. So we have many other products of Aerozoom you can get in our Roll Motors. Like we have many different products with the brand Aerozoom. Right now the fog light is getting installed in this car. Welcome back. The installation and renovation is completed right now. The mechanics have done a quite good job in making the paint look like new. The car is looking very shiny and the customer is also very happy guys. With this paint, like second one we did was, guys, we have also added fog light with DRL. And guys, this is a very unique product. This is dicky light. With this we also added the chrome. So please look at the looks of this car for a while. The before and after. So guys, if you also want this good services, then you can visit our store Roll Motors Siliguri. And if you want to buy any auto parts, if you want to paint your car, you want to do PPF in your car, you want to apply film and any type of product, everything is available in Roll Motors. So guys, let's end the video here, and I think so you like this video. Meet you in the next video. Bye guys.